Whew. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I love all of you guys. I really do. The comments, the DMs, the emails. You guys are so fucking dope, I swear. So last week I was really down and out, and you guys just like really had my back, and I sincerely appreciate it, and I will be answering everybody's comments today and the rest of this week. You guys are really dope for that, and I just want to say thank you so much. Okay, so back to the tutorial. My name is Sidora, for those of you that don't know, and this is a new tutorial on how to straighten natural hair without subjecting your hair to heat damage and also keeping those ends nice and straight and no frizz. So the first thing I'm doing is moisturizing my hair with the moisturizing shampoo, and then I'm gonna follow that with the deep conditioner. So I'm gonna keep that in my hair for about 25 minutes. Let it soak in Z, making sure it's fully saturated. Okay, so now for the secret ingredient, I'm going to be using Chevron Noir hair growth oil. This is the hair growth oil that reversed my alopecia. This is the same hair growth oil that reversed my bald spot that I had in the middle of my head back in December. My hair has been gaining inches because right now I'm just using it for accelerated hair growth. I'm also going to be using it here as a heat protectant. Now, the reason why I love using this oil as a heat protectant is because the oil is a really good moisturizer for my ends, doesn't leave any type of oil buildup, and also it allows me to pass the iron through my hair strands a lot less. So once I'm done with that, I would go back in and oil my scalp because I use the oil about 3 times a week for accelerated hair growth. Once my hair is fully dried, I'm gonna go back in just to make sure that I can get the ends as straight as possible. That's the second trick that you wanna implement. So usually in the past, when I used to flatten iron my hair here and there, I would have to pass the iron about 3 to 4 times. Doing this technique, I was able to pass the iron only twice, and it straightened it beautifully on the second go around. And this is the finished look. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Make sure to leave a comment down below. Also, if you want more information on Chevron Noir hair growth oil, I left a link to the website in the description box. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Peace.